Here is a small derivation regarding how to find capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Here is a parallel plate capacitor. In parallel plate capacitor, there are two metal plates, plate A and this is plate B. Both are identical. In general, both are circular plates like this. Both are circular plates and they are closely placed parallel to each other. And A has got positive charge plus Q and B has got negative charge minus Q. Means what? This is a charged capacitor. This is already charged capacitor, not uncharged capacitor. Now प्लेट्स के बीच में सेपरेशन कितना स्मॉल डी, ये प्लेट से लेकर प्लेट तक बीच में दूरी सेपरेशन स्मॉल डी, और प्लेट का एरिया है ना दिस एरिया ए एंड दिस प्लेट एरिया इज आल्सो ए. सो हियर दिस ए स्टैंड्स फॉर द नेम ऑफ द प्लेट and this B stands for name of the plate. Again A stands for area of the plate, A stands for area of the plate. Both are identical plates na? Both are identical plates. So दोनों के area same and both are held with separation small d and this has got big Q charge plus charge and this has got minus Q charge. And then charge density sigma is Q by A. Charge by area is called charge density. Means what? Charge present on unit area. And we already studied in case of parallel plate capacitor between the two plates there is a uniform electric field like this whose direction is first from positive plate to negative plate. दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में कैपेसिटर के दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में किस तरह का इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होता? यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होता जिसका डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव प्लेट टू नेगेटिव प्लेट. और यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का इंटेंसिटी ऑलरेडी हम लोग फाइंड कर चुके एज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ गॉस लॉ सिग्मा बाई एप्सिलॉन जीरो बोल के फाइंड करे थे, जिसका इंटेंसिटी वैल्यू सिग्मा बाई एप्सिलॉन जीरो एंड फील्ड लाइन्स शुड बी शोन विद पैरेलल लाइन्स because uniform electric field means what? At every point electric field is this much only, sigma by epsilon zero. This already we derived. Now this electric field, when this is electric field, separation is D. We know electric field का एक और definition, E is equal to minus dB by dr. Electric field is defined as negative gradient of potential. Electric field is defined as electric field is defined as negative potential gradient. Negative potential gradient. That means what? E equal to minus dB by dr. So this formula we will apply for these two plates. This is point A, this is point B. This formula is always applicable for 2 points. So point A to point B. Point A, point B. Point A is present on plate A, point B is present on plate B. And A plate पर potential VA मान लेंगे VA और B plate का potential VB मान लेंगे. So E means here electric field intensity which is sigma by electric field intensity is sigma by epsilon zero electric field intensity and minus dB means what? Potential difference. Potential difference means final point potential minus initial point potential. So in the field direction, this is initial point, this is final point. So final point is VB minus initial point VA by dr stands for distance between the 2 points. That is the point A to point B means what? दोनों plates के बीच में separation, that is small d. So in the place of dr, D. So from this what understanding, VA minus VB will be equal to sigma d by epsilon zero. So इस तरह पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस आ गया, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में आ गया. और कैपेसिटी कैसे डिफाइन किया गया? चार्ज प्रेजेंट. Of course on both the plates same charge is there, same amount of charge is there, but one has got positive charge, other has got negative charge. We tell that this capacitor has a stored Q charge. Then capacity is defined as ratio of the charge stored, that is Q charge, by potential difference between the two plates, that is VA minus VB. These are definition of capacitance of capacitor. So Q divided by VA minus VB है ना, whose value just now we found sigma d by epsilon zero. And Q means what? Charge present on plate A, which is equal to here see sigma is Q by A. From this Q is A sigma. So sigma A divided by sigma d by epsilon 0. Sigma sigma got cancelled, A epsilon 0 by D. इस तरह पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर का कैपेसिटेंस का फार्मूला A epsilon 0 by D बोल के आ गया. Now one more point what we are going to study here is one more point is here. Between the two plates, suppose we fill with a dielectric medium. ये प्लेट से वो प्लेट तक इंसुलेटर फिल कर दिया मान लीजिए. ये प्लेट ए, ये प्लेट बी. इस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज था, इस पर नेगेटिव चार्ज था, प्लस क्यू और माइनस क्यू. So this was charged capacitor and separation was D. And before filling with dielectric medium, its capacity was, how much capacity was? C is equal to A epsilon 0 by D. Capacity, original capacity of the capacitor was this much. But when dielectric medium is filled here, whose dielectric constant is K, then what happens? Insulator, that is dielectric medium is what? It is insulator. Insulator has dielectric constant K. As soon as that is placed inside the capacitor, then the medium has changed, that's why capacity should become C dash, which is equal to A epsilon by D instead of A epsilon 0, not A epsilon by D. So where epsilon is the this medium, which is the insulator, which we are calling dielectric medium. This for dielectric constant K, its permittivity epsilon means. So now we will divide C dash by C. That means what? A epsilon by D divided by A epsilon naught by D. Then we will get epsilon by epsilon naught, which is equal to relative permittivity or called dielectric constant K. That means C dash is equal to Kc. So capacity now changes to C dash, which is equal to K times of capacity. That means what? Capacity will increase by K times if you fill the region, whole region between the two plates with dielectric medium. So दोनों प्लेट्स के इसमें एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम से फिल कर दिए तो इट इज नॉट कंडक्टिंग मीडियम. डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम इज नॉट इंसुलेटर. सो फिल कर दिए तो वो कैपेसिटर की कैपेसिटी K टाइम्स को बढ़ जाएगा, वेयर K इज अ डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट. दैट इज व्हाई K इज इक्वल टू C dash by C. सो हाउ K is defined by using capacitances means K is defined as ratio of capacitance of capacitor when it is filled with dielectric medium to when dielectric medium is absent. So dielectric medium of the dielectric constant K is defined as ratio of capacitance of capacitor when dielectric medium is present to the capacitance of the same capacitor when vacuum is present. So in that way K can be defined. So one more definition. That is why K is also called K is named in three ways: relative permittivity, and will be shown with epsilon R, dielectric constant, and one more point name specific inductive capacitance. So, now anyhow here our conclusion is capacity has increased by K times when the region from plate A to plate B is filled with dielectric medium whose dielectric constant is K.